Welcome to our tutorial on how to mute message sounds on the WhatsApp PC app after the latest update. If you're finding those notification pings a bit distracting while you work or focus on other tasks, we've got you covered. Let's dive straight in. First, start by opening the WhatsApp app on your computer. If you haven't already logged in, simply scan the QR code with your phone to get connected. Now, once the app is open, look for the gear icon located in the bottom left corner of the window. This icon represents the settings, so give it a click to proceed. After selecting the gear icon, a menu will pop up. Here, you'll want to navigate to the Notifications option. This is where you can customize your alerts and sounds to suit your preferences. Finally, in the Notifications menu, you'll see various settings to tweak. Look for the option labeled Messages. Simply toggle this setting off to disable message notification sounds. By doing this, you can enjoy a quieter workspace without those interruptions. And that's it. You've successfully muted message sounds on WhatsApp for your PC. Now you can focus on your work without the constant pinging of incoming messages. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using your favorite apps effectively. Thanks for watching and enjoy your peaceful WhatsApp experience.